Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PixiaAI token. Ticker symbol is PIXIA, P-I-X-I-A. This token just got listed recently on CoinGecko. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, PixiaAI. So there is one warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So when they have warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract, change tax rates, mint new tokens, whatever they can do. Just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. PixiaAI or Pixia.ai is their official webpage. App.pixia.ai is their application. You can find those listed on CoinGecko, along with a full white paper, their Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, price chart, and contract address. All of those are available on CoinGecko. Token price today is sitting at about 4.4 cents per token. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Pixia token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan, webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, right now they have 869 holders, 6,670 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. So it says, humans are obsolete. Pixia is a revolutionary force toward predator scams and low-quality projects in the market. It represents a critique of the flipping degen that has taken hold and a call to reclaim the values the market was founded upon. Join the movement to be part of the change. Build with Pixia. AI is the future. Express your emotions. Pixia AI art management system. So an artificial intelligence that can generate art, create an NFT collection, stake your NFTs, and much, much more. A simple 5-minute setup and a so easy my grandma could do it interface within Telegram. On Telegram or Twitter, imagine anything you wish, and Pixia will provide. Talk to Pixia with tell me, / tell me or hashtag tell me. Create an image with / image or hashtag image. Create a video by adding animate or interpolate at the end of your image command. Train the artificial intelligence on a custom model with / train. Express your inside world. So art based on your ideas, taking life at your fingertips. Images in any style and in any quality you've never seen before. Animate or interpolate within seconds. Whether you are looking for high-quality images for your website, social media, marketing materials, or other creative projects, we have you covered. PIXIA images are perfect for a variety of applications, including advertising, branding, and design. PIXIA takes your breath away. All you need to do is image, and PIXIA provides. Open collaborative creation. So collaborate with your community into creating unique AI images and videos. Select the pieces you love the most directly on the platform and create a community-made NFT collection. PIXIA is fully compatible with most NFT platforms. Choose the creator fees and trade your collection on a number of NFT platforms like OpenSea. Add utility on your collection with your personal NFT staking smart contract. So you can reward your community. Looking for a reliable NFT staking contract, token staking contract, or miner contract? Look no further than PIXIA. Our platform will guide you through the process of creating a customized contract that meets your specific needs. Whether you want to set your own annual percentage rate, customize your token rewards, add boosters to your miner, or make any other changes, we have you covered. With PIXIA, you can trust that your NFT staking, token staking, and miner contract will be tailored to your exact requirements, ensuring maximum efficiency and profitability. So if you want to get the most out of your community endeavors, be sure to check out the PIXIA platform today. So within the ecosystem, they have a total supply of 100 million tokens. There's a bank for staking, there's a bank treasury, redistributes, then there's staking daily rewards, then there's a PixiaAI utility bot. So it says 20% goes to reward. I'm not sure how this is split up here. It does say there is a 7% buy and sell tax. So, and it looks like that is split up between auto LP rewards, dev, and yeah, it's kind of weird they have this set up. But if you are going to buy or sell this token off of Uniswap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 7%. So they also have PIXIA as a service. Interested in using PIXIA for your project? Simply invite PIXIA to join your group chat. This way you could start designing your ideas and collaborate with a community to unlock full potential. PIXIA has the tools you need to succeed. Invite PIXIA to your group chat today and start exploring the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence. So check them out on Twitter at PixiaAI or Telegram at PixiaAI or their official webpage pixia.ai, and you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think of PIXIA? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.